Back to BarnabasGist.
My people, no be small thing o. As e stand right now, we no know wetin dey happen again, because the way they take dey wish Tinubu RIP for this last one, person no understand o. Abi Tinubu don kpai, abi he never kpai, because Hope Uzodinma, being the governor of Imo State, don come outside in wishing Buhari RIP. Na so e take give am Tinubu. E don still come again o, in wishing wey be senate president Akpabio, in wishing Buhari, e still wish am Tinubu. Whether the whole politician dey wan make Tinubu kpai today tomorrow nobody know, but however, make we go watch the videos before we go come back come talk. However, we get the information wey we dey get concerning people wey dey buy land for inside Lagos. I wan more na lis ten to wetin this lady talk and tell me say this thing no be true of wetin dey happen for inside Lagos state. My people, stay tuned o, we get a lot of tori.
May the soul of the former president, President Bola, President Muhammadu Buhari, and the souls of all the faithful departed through the mercy of God rest in peace. Hello to you. And the whole country is very proud of what this administration has done in the way and manner President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was honored and was buried. And you can see, even from President Buhari's President Buhari was honored and buried. And distinguished Senator Nengi, you also observed that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will not be forgotten for what he did during the burial ceremonies of President Muhammadu Buhari. So, in the Senate, we are also determined to ensure that in our books, the record says that we also had this valedictory, despite all said and done.
My people, na so e take happen o, and I say mo bring am come show una. Una sure say Tinubu still dey, because our prophet wey be Martin Nnamdi Kanu no dey around to tell us wetin dey happen for inside that their cackles. E don read o. But however, let us look. They say one fearless man don come aside, come broke the finally table for inside the House of Assembly. As Nigeria take dey pass secret law, take dey intimidate people. Just watch the video.
Finally, a Nigerian fearless senator don't provoke for inside the red chamber. Tell Senator Akpabio to his face. Say history will judge you, history will remember you. Every bill where they bring come National Assembly, every budget where they bring, every monetary bill, every monetary budget, now so we go the approval, now so we go the approval. Say it is not healthy for this country. In fact, man, don't talk too much, because say, I'd always talk am. The dynamics of politics is changing gradually in this country, because the youth have risen up and everybody have said no to political rascality. In fact, man, I listen to the senator first. I see what the video they share, and many Nigerian people they see waiting they up now.
Because since we started this Senate, you said it's a corrective Senate. We have been ambushed all the time. That bills are very sensitive bills are brought, and I expected to be passed with the speed of light, which is not good for this country. Yes. Every senator here is supposed to be adequately informed. He does his research, he comes to the floor and makes a positive contribution. But in a situation where even money bills are brought and we are expected to pass it within 2 hours, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't go well for this country. Sir, you are on seat today. History is going to judge you that things like this are not good for this country.
Alright guys, it don't read as some senators don't come out to expose the Senate president on what is really going on in the Senate House. This man went further to say that the Senate president is passing the bills without allowing other senators to give their own contribution and debate on the matter, but they are passing the bills within 2 hours. This man went further to curse the Senate president, saying that history will judge him after doing all these things to Nigerians.
That he's talking about is the 2/3 of senators sitting present. There are few instances like the amendment of the Constitution, and some parts requires 2/3. That means the senators before voting will be informed that they will vote on a certain matter, and they need to be present so that the two-thirds will be achieved. But any decision that comes up like this during the sitting of the Senate, the two-thirds means those that are here. Thank you.
Mr.
Yes. Vote is required. It is 2/3 of the Senate of the senators seated. But have we taken consideration of how many senators are seated and how many people have agreed that we say we are 2/3? And apart from that, sir, this point is very necessary because since we started this Senate, you said it's a corrective Senate. We have been ambushed all the time. That bills are very sensitive bills are brought and are expected to be passed with the speed of light, which is not good for this country. Every senator here is supposed to be adequately informed. He does his research, he comes to the floor and makes a positive contribution. But in a situation where even money bills are brought and we are expected to pass it within 2 hours, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't go well for this country. Sir, you are on seat today. History is going to judge you that things like this are not good for this country. Thank you very much, sir.
This is what you pass is good for the country. History will judge me right. If what you are passing with the speed of light is in the interest of Nigerians, history will judge me right. I don't think we will come here to pass a bill that will not be in the interest of the Nigeria. So your point of order is noted. Yes.
If everybody begin to speak out for this country, things will certainly change. But the problem we have is that even old people that are expected to be custodian of truth and peace, they are not speaking out. And that is why we remain where we are. We are just recycling old politicians who have no plan for this country. And I hope that you, when they listen to this video, that you will have a change of heart to work to the interests of this country, Nigeria. It dey pain me, say since where them bomb me reach now, things has not really significantly changed. Every year, the same story. God bless you.
My people, una don see am. This na wetin dey happen for Nigeria because a lot of things dey happen these days. You go hear say Tinubu don sign law, they don pass law. I come dey ask, which time they take debate this law? Which time they do open debate on this law? End of the day, you no go see anything. So Nigeria is moving. Any part where they carry come, we go watch am. But only thing what I want to tell the youth, as long as you people taking anything in Nigeria for joke, this country will use on a joke until you go use walking stick dey waka. Our children go still grow up, they will still use them the joke. If this generation no stop this nonsense wey dey happen for Nigeria, e no go, nobody go fit stop am again. My people, now let me bring you the video. May you hear wetin dey happen for inside Lagos in case of you get property or you are planning to invest in this kind law wey they put for inside people head. Watch.
In Yoruba land, if we sell land to you, especially in Lagos State, and issue you a C of O, certificate of occupancy, we can collect that land back from you anytime we want, irrespective of how much you paid. That was said by the Deputy Governor of Lagos State in company with MC Olomo at an event. Yes. And when I saw that saying, that publication, I ran to Nigerian Constitution to read about land and land ownership in Nigeria. And this is what it said. It said, Nigerians can buy land anywhere in Nigeria and get a certificate of occupancy, that's C of O, and they legally owns the land. Yes, since they have a certificate of ownership, that's C of O, issued to them by the state governments or the governments for that particular piece of land they have paid for. That the law states that you own that land for a specific period of 99 years, that's almost like 100 years. Yes, it serves as the highest form of land tax in Nigeria and provide legal ownership rights. That was what was said in our constitution. But Lagos State are saying, no, we can sell land to you in the morning and recall it back in the evening and still take your money. What kind of robbery is that? So why I want to say this is this. It's not the first time it's happening in Lagos. This has been happening. That's how what they do in Lagos State. Yes. You buy land in Lagos and get it by who you know, by spending more money. And after years, they will still get it for you. If you don't know what, the one that transpired lately, in Ijora, Rivers State government owns a property in Ijora, Lagos State. Last year, that land was collected from Rivers State government. And you will not hear it in the news by Lagos State government. It was a very big property. It was collected from them. So what I'm saying now, and we'll come out to claim we are one Nigerian. And I cannot move from one state to another state and buy land and own it. Yes. So why don't we divide this country instead of deceiving ourselves? Then when you want to leave your own country and go to Lagos or Yoruba land to buy land, you already know that these people will sell land to you and still collect it back from you with your money and nothing will happen. Then it's your decision to buy, to go to Lagos and buy. And another thing, for those who are still buying land in Lagos, for them to know that for the fact that you paid for land in Lagos State and they gave you CFO does not make you the owner of that land. So for you to beware. So buying land in Lagos State now is not safe. Yes.
My people, now so we see am for the tori wey we get for our table today. Abeg make una contribute and share this video so that other people go get the information. I don't see am, so most of una would already invest and lose am. Would they sorry you? But your village is still there, nobody go develop am. So that place where they call bush today for inside your village, if you get opportunity to buy now and develop am. If you no fit develop am, just buy am, keep am. One day you go see say your village don turn to township. It happen to most of us, so may I tell you the truth. So this all of us, they run, they go Lagos, they go. I know say yes, now where you get population, where you get this, now if you sell your business. But sometimes, if the policy wey they put there no suit you, my brother, may you run no, because now money no easy to get. So me wanna drop on our own opinion and share this video. No forget to see the for BarnabasGist. I say the watch, make sure say they share the video.